Whenever you deal with big data, you also need to address data protection and privacy issues. Protection of employees' personal rights and data security go hand in hand. With our systems, you can mask static image areas or pixelize moving objects. In this example, movements are rendered unrecognizable in the entire area of the image. It is also possible to mask only selected areas. In this case, only the lower section of the image is pixelated for the protection of the employee, while the moving goods in the upper section remain recognizable and the tracking functionality is retained. This makes it possible to keep your concentration on situations that matter while at the same time protecting the privacy of your employees. And in case it does become relevant later, certain areas of the image can be made visible again. But only if you are authorized as a user. Depending on the rules, access can be restricted using two-person passwords, for example together with the Works Council. Our systems have reliable protection mechanisms that make unauthorized access to images of employees impossible. In addition, the video data is admissible in court. This is one of the reasons why exporting video can be encrypted and password protected.